Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. So, in this time, we gonna explain about our research proposal that talking about analysis ambiguity in song lyrics of Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter, and arranged by us, of course, Anggi, Putriasana, Farel, and Reflik. And chapter 1 will be explained by my friend Anggi Hayriza.
Okay, chapter 1, Introduction. A background of study. Communication is the process of interaction between humans, which involves using symbol, sound, and structure alphabetical letters, collectively known as language. Misunderstanding or difficulties in communication are common occurrence. For example, we may struggle to hear clearly or speak in a way that others find difficult to understand. Ambiguity is an interesting topic to discuss as it plays a significant role in the various aspects of communication. Ambiguity in song lyrics is a common phenomenon that has intrigued researchers and music enthusiasts alike. Songs are musical compositions that utilize lyrics, typically songs especially for singing, particularly for solo performance. Lyrics have two meanings. One, literary works or poetry, containing personal emotion expression, and two, the arrangement of a song. When using lyrics from a poet and songwriter, word processing must be very good. According to John Fonti, the song Espresso, sung by Sabrina Carpenter, is a song that attracts the attention of many listeners. This song has lyrics full of ambiguity, where the meaning can have more than one interpretation. In this song, Sabrina Carpenter used metaphorical language and similes to express complex emotions and ideas in a concise and artistic way. B. Focus of the study. According to the background above, the researchers will focus on analyze the ambiguity on song lyrics Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter by using Angini 2021 and C. Research question. From the focus of the study that the researchers explained, the question of the research is 1. How does the ambiguity in the lyrics contribute to the overall meaning and interpretation of the song? The objectivitas of the study. The objectivity of the researchers is one to analyze the ambiguity in the song lyrics of Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter. The significance of the study. Understanding the role of ambiguity in the song lyrics is crucial for comprehending the deeper meanings and emotional impact of the music. By focusing on the song Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter, the study aims to contribute to the existing body of knowledge on the use of ambiguity in contemporary music. The finding of this research will not only enrich our understanding of songwriter technique, but also shed light on the listener's subjective experience when engaging with ambiguous lyrics. And the last scope of the study. It is important to acknowledge the limitation of this research proposal. The study will focus solely on the song lyrics of Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter and may not be generalizable to the other song or genre. Additionally, the interpretation of ambiguity in the lyrics is subjective and may vary among listeners. Therefore, the findings should be considered within the context of the specific song being analyzed.
Next, chapter 2 will be explained by Farel.
We will explain the literature. I will explain literature review of our research proposal. In this literature review, we have the theoretical framework and relevant study. In this theoretical framework, we have a definition from by expert in the communication, linguistic, ambiguity, semantic, and so on. So, for the first, the communication. Communication is essentially the process by which we send message to other people, either non-verbally or orally. The center for 2000 studies that above all communication concerns the process of meaning expression considering how to interpret meaning psychologically, socially, and culturally, how messages are understood intellectually, and how ambiguity arises and is resolved. And the second, linguistic. The study of linguistics, sometimes known as linguistics, explores the different phases of human language. Linguistics is defined as the study of language as a system of human communication by professionals. And the third, ambiguity. Ambiguity occurs when a word, phrase, or sentence can be interpreted in multiple ways. According to the pessimistic direction, ambiguity is a problem because it makes natural language difficult to process. And the ambiguity also referred to as equivocation occurs when a term is employed more than once and is occasionally considered a fallacy. And the fourth, semantic. Semantic is the study of meaning in language within the field of linguistics. According to Green, defined semantic is the study of the sentence meaning brought in the overall sentence based on the elementary meaning of the sentence units. And five, song. A song is a piece of music performed by voice actor. The typical pattern of sound and silence in the human voice is a melody, which is a unique and fixed sequence of notes. According to Rose and Herman 2019, song is one of the ways to communicate the enable human to cooperate. And the second is relevant study. There are several relevant studies regarding our topic, namely ambiguity in song lyric of the Best Day by Taylor Swift, written by Dimas Melissa Dewi Borotatiwi, 2023, with the finding by employing words with several or distinct meanings, ambiguity can enhance the beauty and variety of language. There may be a contradiction or antagonism between the intended meaning and the meaning the listener may understand as a result of ambiguity. The listener may also express a way or amazement as a result of ambiguity. Another study, the title is Multiple Meaning Ambiguity in Moana Movies Soundtrack Song, written by Emilia Sukmadara, Putri Dania Subun, Nada Nafisa Tasubut, Tasya Ramadhani in 2020. With the finding that the Moana movie soundtrack song ambiguity is intended to pick viewers' attention in the audio and many language types employed in the film, in addition to the film itself. Or the reason methodology will be explained by.
So we are moving to business methodology in that first research design. In the study the research design is qualitative research, which focuses on the meaning and implication of social phenomena and process within specific context. Places more emphasis on comprehending the essence of the phenomenon than on performing statistical calculations. And second is the design and source of the data. The research subject in the study is the song lyrics of Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter, and that the source used in the research text, specifically song lyrics that is interpreted and demonstrated on the ideology and values contained in it. Next is any written expression that has meaning such as letters, short passages, poems, song lyrics, novels, resultants and films, pictures, or advertisements, continuously and script code and sample. And then data collection method. We are using qualitative methods and continuous techniques to categorize and interpret the data. The data source for analysis is text, specifically song lyrics, understand the ideology and values included with them. And the last one, we have technique of data analysis. In this research, we are going to use qualitative descriptive method, which consists of examining a concept or phenomenon in depth its trace and describe it thoroughly. The study uses a qualitative approach. It means the researcher described the types of ambiguity that quoted from the journal Adini in 2021. This method focuses on interpreting the meaning and values present in text. In this case, the song is expressed by subject.
you so much for the opportunity for giving up me the chance to ask. I am Maria Tita Bruginting. I am from Group 2. So I would like to appreciate your presentation about the espresso song and the ambiguity of analysis. So my question is, what is your justification for choosing the espresso song? Is there any like reward or some achievement of this song lately in this younger generation or in the social digital platforms? Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Next.
Okay, thank you for this opportunity. My name is Putri Melinda, and I'm from Group 2. So my questions is related to the your intentions of why choosing this topic as your study, because I don't I don't see your justification why you interested in this study. So you have to mention in your introduction why you're interested, why you take this topic to your study. I think that's all. Thank you.
My name is Venita from Group apa kita? Oh, my name is Venita from Group 5. I want to ask, in your data collection you use the content analysis for data collection. Why you use it? Because as I know, content analysis is used in data analysis, not in data collection. Yeah, why you use content analysis in data collection? Because as far as I know, that content analysis is used in data analysis, not in data collection.
I will answer your question, Teta questions. So we choose Sabrina Carpenter's song that the title is Espresso, because in 1 month this song catch 31 million viewers. So and then it's going viral in Instagram and social media. So we interested because this song is going hype and viral in social media in young generation, and we choose this song because we find in lyrics some lexical or metaphor meaning that writer song used in that song. So we think it's a good connection between this song and our topic, that is ambiguity. So that's the reason why we choose that song.
Okay, thank you.
Stop. Okay, we will answer Putri Melinda questions. That is, your question is why we choose this topic, why we choose this ambiguity, especially in song. We choose because nowadays the songwriter, singer use some like a metaphor, use like ambiguitas, lexical in their lyrics. So I think it's interesting to discuss about it because why this singer nowadays use metaphor, something like that, and kenapa baru sekarang hype-nya untuk menggunakan kalimat-kalimat yang indah dan metafor seperti itu. And next will be answered by my friend.
And also ambiguity, as we know, as a common phenomenon in language that can lead to multiple interpretations. And so I think this is crucial for us to understand. the ambiguity in the lyrics of the song, especially in Espresso, because it can impact how the audience interprets the message conveyed by the singer or the songwriter. So it is, I think, yeah, it's crucial to understand what is the real meaning of the song, what's the message that conveyed by the songwriter of the song. To answer your questions, our answer is it is our mistaken to place the content analysis techniques in data collection method section. As we know, it should be replaced in technique of data analysis.
So the data collection we use in the proposal is
Using qualitative methods for the collection. Data collection method. Data will answer.
So, guys, if you have any question, please ask. Oh, nothing. So, if there is no question, maybe we can close this presentation. Thank you for your all attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.